Oh, nice.
You doing a video?
Yeah. What? That's cool.
Because I told the photographer to get our two cars together on the track, so don't get black flagged.
Oh,
And then this is everybody's favorite.
Auga?
that's so cool. That's loud.
Yeah. Well, we can adjust
Yeah.
the sound.
Get the dog riding past me.
You should put blades on that. I mean,
I'm
sharp
going
blades.
to.
Yeah.
Can you drive in the
So if they reach out to spin it, they slice their hands open.
Yeah.
But he does look like a real dog.
I know, he does.
This weather connection.
He called Cheetah in Texas.
He never lets it rain on any of our events. He absolutely.
You want to lie? I mean, I've never been rained out on a tractor.
You haven't?
Never. Never.
Wow. That thing is so funny.